What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, you don't know how many comments I see a day to where people are so negative towards XRP, towards Ripple, towards anybody that talks about this play. It's honestly mind blowing that someone could be that negative towards a play. And in most cases, it's people that, have a certain, agenda. They have a certain play that they're bullish on and they'll talk negatively about anything. I can tell you that I never will shoot something down completely. There are there are opportunities in any position that you get into. Now, when it comes to being as effective as XRP, I can understand where the skepticism could come from, right? If you have a plan for something else to be what XRP is going to be, and if you have a plan to where you believe that Bitcoin will be the most valuable cryptocurrency that's out there, or Ethereum will take over, and their lower transaction fees, their upgrades, their gas fees are going to be insanely low, right? And just all of these things that make things better elsewhere, you think they're just going to be way better than that position. It doesn't mean you need to talk down on that position. I understand the skepticism because of the lawsuit, because of the 3+ year, I believe it is, 4 year battle at this point that you've gone through for XRP. I understand it. However, I don't understand the continued bashing, right? Uh, because this does show that it has a lot of life. If it didn't show that it had a lot of life, you would see that in the volume. But XRP, you consistently see billions upon billions of dollars worth of volume. And this isn't coming from the 1 billion XRP that they release, every month, or they said that to do so, right? I don't think they're actually doing that as of now because we went through the past 3 months with 54% of the supply that's there, right? But this month we're now seeing it around that 55% level. So maybe we can have another discussion on whether escrow will be a problem. But um, the point is that it's seeing so much volume. So why have that much skepticism or that much disbelief in what XRP could be, right? Just see what people say. If you disagree with it, you disagree with it. And put out some of the facts that you do have, because I want to know on both sides, how you feel, because I know how I feel. So anyways, let's talk about XRP in this video. Let's go through the position and where it stands right now as of the time of recording this video, which honestly is 6:30 a.m. I don't know when this video is going up, but the price may drastically change like it did for the last video. The last video we talked about how we wanted to see it grow from a level of like a 57-cent price, went up to like a 60-cent price, ended up being up, I don't know, like a good 7% or something like that. Like it was up a decent amount from that level. I don't think that's actually 7%, but it was up a decent amount from that level. And I was excited to see that rather than it being down and all of the other positions were also down. But XRP suddenly took off after I recorded that video. Um, but yeah, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my Margex link. Guys, I've been having so much success with Margex. I've said this plenty of times. And they also added the new feature to convert. So if you have a certain amount of coins that you want to convert to a different thing, they're starting to add more and more as you go into convert. I know I put out a video recently, but it didn't get a crazy amount of views. You can convert LTC, you can convert Solana now, and you can also add in Matic, not only just Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stable coins. You can add in more if you are going to convert to different areas. Also, you can trade up to 50x leverage on XRP if you want to. I have about the highest one that I have is actually a 15x leverage recently that I made, but most of them are below 10x leverage. So again, if you guys want to check this out and get yourself some, I would say free XRP, but you're working for it, but free XRP nonetheless, right? I was able to gain $7,000+ worth of XRP. That was free based on the overall bull run that we did see, or the beginning of the bull run, from a level of like a $1.5 trillion market cap up to a $2.7 trillion market cap. So it's great to see that level of success. But if we look at XRP where it currently stands, it's at 59 cents at the time of recording this. It's up about 2.5% on the day. And we're also seeing, when we look at the chart, we can see the growth and how this has moved. It looks pretty solid. It looks consistent. It doesn't look like it's like spotty at times. It doesn't look like it's, extreme highs, extreme lows, and high peaks and valleys that would be great for day trading. It's more of like a swing trader's dream where it's slowly increasing there. Now, if we look at the last 7 days, it is down by 5%, where it has been from 63 cents all the way down to this low area of 57 cents. But then it did increase recently up to 61 cents and then back up to 60 cents. You can see here on the 5th, after decreasing down to 57, back up to 59 cents or so. If we look at how much I hold in XRP, currently holding about $21,000 worth of XRP. I am down on my position. If I can go over to Coinbase, I am down on my position by like maybe $1,000 or so. It might be a little bit less, but I did kind of go all in above 60 cents. This shows you how much I believe in XRP. I did hold it at 39 cents and then didn't want to buy more because I never want to increase my cost basis. But for what XRP will be in the future, I needed to have more. So now I have 35,670 something, and I will continue to gather more. I said 35,000 was the end, but as long as I'm gaining XRP over in MargeX, I feel as though I'm just going to continue to, throw more XRP over to my Coinbase wallet from there. I'm investing my XRP over there. As you can see here, if we go to my wallet, right? I'm investing into XRP. I have $1,000 worth of Ripple that's here, but about 500 is in orders. So as I get some sort of success there, I continue to take some of that and throw it over to Coinbase, right? It just makes sense to do it that way. I've been gaining a lot more with MargeX here. And if we just look at the top positions that I have here, yes, I am down on this position. I'm up on this one by about $30 on a 15x leverage. I'm leveraging XRP to trade XRP, and I'm leveraging XRP to trade Ethereum. And then I have other ones where I'm leveraging XRP to trade LTC. So it's working wonders for me. I'm able to gain quite a bit. You can see here with this LTC position, I'm up $268, up 401%. So I'm gaining an extra $268 in XRP if I decide to sell that position right now. However, I see a lot more growth, future potential for Litecoin, so I'm sitting on that. And yes, I am gaining funding fees or losing funding fees here, but it's a very minuscule amount with XRP. So I'm excited, and with LTC. So anyways, if we focus on the topic at hand, we're focusing on the popularity, the volume, right? Whether you believe that people should have that skepticism. And I don't think you should, right? When you look at something like this, you're seeing $1 billion worth of volume. On average, we're seeing about $1 billion. And when it comes to the high levels, we're seeing $2, $3, $4, $5 billion that's flowing through XRP. And the only reason we're seeing it kind of flat for this long is because of that uncertainty that people have with the SEC versus Ripple. That's really all that we have. And then once we have that clarity, things become insanely clear, and they look a lot better for the community, and things go a lot further, and we see a lot more growth, and this explosion looks better and better. But guys, let me know what you think about XRP. I want to know your opinion, but I want to know with facts, right? If you say that you hate XRP, tell me the reason why you hate XRP. Don't just come through and go XRP's dead and then never, say anything after that. It's like, I want to know what you're feeling. I want to know the information that you have. You can go on here and want to, speak your mind, but continue that thought. Don't just end the thought and then I never know what you're thinking, right? Because I'm not going to respond to all these comments. If you're just going to put XRP as dead, I'm not going to respond to that. I'd rather respond to one that says, XRP, I believe is going to go, it's going to skyrocket because of this, right? So let me know on both sides what you feel about this play and where you feel like it's going. I'm going to continue to stack it either way, no matter what you say, because I have my own belief within it, and nobody can talk me out of what I'm holding and what I believe. So anyways, guys, make sure you take some time to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, I know I went through Margex quite a bit on this video, but honestly, I don't want people to miss out on an opportunity. Yes, they are a partner with the channel. Yes, I do get a kickback in a way, and it would be great. It's a great way to support the channel, but it's also a great way to support yourself. If you can trade with less money, you can trade with $100, but then end up getting the profits of trading 500, it's worth a look. Like, I'm telling you, it's worth a look. And then when you start trading and you start understanding your strategy, it works wonders. But you have to build a solid strategy. Don't just trade with emotion. And I talk about all that on Patreon. I have a whole section for leverage trading. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.